them is called Baliye, one of them is called Maya Menu, and the fourth song is called Jind Meriye. I think in another week or so we'll start putting the songs out because we still have about 4 weeks, so I think we'll put out a song every week or something, and you guys should be able to experience that soon as well. The music is a very big part of this film. I'm very excited to share the music, with you guys. The entire album is done by Sachet and Parampara. They had done 2 songs on Kabir Singh. They had done Bekhayali and they had done Mere Sonia, which were both wonderful songs. So I'm excited to see what you guys feel about the music that they've created this time. And what else? So songs have same kind of vibe like Kabir Singh. I don't know if that's a good thing. I mean, this you should listen to the songs. Let the album come out and then you'll understand what you feel about them. Seems like you know many of us. Of course, I know many of you, Farah. You guys are all over my timeline every time I'm on Instagram. You guys are just amazing. I love you guys. Let's see what more questions. Ishan has joined the chat. Ishan, do you have any questions for me? I can't see you anywhere right now. So, how was it shooting with the iconic train station scene? Oh yes. So this was a very scary experience because I've kind of been pretty honest about the fact that I am a huge fan of the original film. I absolutely loved the way Nani performed, and I absolutely loved the way Gautam made the film, and it made me cry. And a lot of people ask, actually I didn't want to do another remake. I didn't want to do another remake after Kabir Singh, and I looked very hard for a story that was worthy of being told and that had an emotion that can penetrate through people, and that had a story that is different and fresh. And this story just stayed with me, and I eventually, after going through many months of thinking about it, I finally decided that if there is something that's resonating with me for so long, I must give it that respect. And that's how we decided to do Jersey. And yeah, so I have done a second remake in a row, and it's very difficult to do a remake, because the first thing that you feel is a sense of responsibility of not spoiling the original and not letting people down and not spoiling the memory that people have of something that they've loved so dearly. So it's always far more challenging, and it's not as relaxed. You can't just express yourself freely. You feel a sense of responsibility. So it's not ideal. I mean, I would much rather do original content, but eventually we're here to tell stories, and this film story was worthy of being told. It made me cry. It inspired me. It taught me something about life that has stayed with me, and I felt it would be an amazing opportunity as an actor to take that story to the Hindi audience. Why should they miss out on seeing it? And there's a lot of work that goes into it. There's a lot of work that goes into adapting a film which is made with a different backdrop, in a different state, with a different language, in a different culture. It takes a lot of work to make it seem relevant and true for a different set of people. So we took the film to Chandigarh because we wanted to base it in and around Mohali Stadium. We wanted the character to have a lot of people they must be wondering, because there is a difference in the way I think that I have interpreted the character, and of course how it was interpreted in the original. But my father is a very typical Punjabi man, and I've spent many I'm surrounded by a lot of very typical Punjabi men, and so I've kind of tried to hold on to the authenticity of how that culture and how how they are. They never like to show their vulnerability. They never like to show their weakness. I've seen that in my own parents. I've always felt that it's always in the eyes, but it's never in the body language and the face. So I think I'm talking too much too early. So this Arjun is different, and let's see what you guys feel about him when you see him in the theatre. I don't even remember what the question was. Sure hai sawal? Any hurt in training? Oh yeah, there was a lot of hurts in training, brother. Lot of injuries because it's not an easy sport, and there was a lot of cricket we played. We played cricket for over 30 days, so a lot of cricket happened. Yes, Sachetan Parampara have joined. I need to see the questions. Still trying to find. Let's try and see where the questions. Runal has joined the chat. What's up, Runal? Where are you? I can't see you here. Sachit Parampara here. What's up, Sachetan Parampara? Farah Love Shahid saying your favorite song in the movie. That's very difficult. I can't decide. I love all the songs in the movie. Of course, Mehram is right at the top because I especially love the lyrics of Mehram. They're fantastic. I mean, it's such a emotional, passionate, intense, slightly dark kind of interpretation of the angst and the emotion of the character. I think that's very, very unique and fresh that we've cracked something like that. So please do pay attention to the lyrics. There's a lot of Punjabi in there. So please do ask if you have the time, what is the meaning of the lyrics? Because I think they're very potent. And once you understand the meaning, you might, So the concept behind the song is that the character Arjun is speaking to destiny. And he's, looking at destiny as his lover. So it's a personification of destiny where he talks to destiny as his lover and is expressing how he wants his destiny to come and live in this world which is full of pain and broken dreams with him to understand. And so, yeah, it's very cool, man. I mean, check it out. Let's see how you feel about it. What other questions do we have? Sudhia says, Dehradun and Chandigarh have the yummiest food. What is your favorite dishes that you ate there? I was pretty disciplined on this film because there was a lot of sport to play. Of course, whenever I'm in Chandigarh, chole bhature has to happen. I love gulab jamun. So on my free days, I do gulab jamun. And the usual stuff, man. Aloo parathas. We're shooting during the winter, so whenever I could, I managed to do that. Alright, any other questions? Looking for questions. Shanatic Nuri, can you sing one line for us? Okay, I'll sing Mehram. Okay. Mehram, tu hi hai mera. Sorry, I'll try again. That was horrible. Mehram, tu hi hai mera. ले सुन ले मेरी दास्तां रंजिशे धुआं धुआं सी है आ रह ले तू भी यहाँ नूर न रुख पे सांवी न मुक दे ले अग बन गया है लहू मेरा तेरी रजा है दर्द मजा है ले हुण बन गया बादशाह तेरा आजा लेके जाऊं तुझे सांसें घुटती जहां ख्वाहिशें जो टूटी सी थी बिखरा उनका जहां दफन हो हम दो वहाँ फिर भी हो तन्हा करे जो भी सजदा तेरा कहना तू ही मेरी है महरम I've released the song before the song has released itself. Please don't kill me, Sachetan Parampara. Please don't kill me, okay? That was really bad, but I tried. But I love the song, so I had to sing it. Okay, what are the other questions? How was filming with your father? It was very scary and very intimidating filming with my father. He is an exceptionally brilliant actor. I think the world knows it. He's a goddamn legend. All right, so it's very intimidating working with him. Actually, it's not intimidating working with him. It's just you just feel a sense of responsibility, and you just want to give it your best because you don't want to let him down in the same frame. So it was amazing to have him in the film. It's a very interesting role that he has. The relationship between Arjun and his coach is a very, very interesting relationship because most of that relationship you'll see in the older part. So it's very interesting that Arjun, being a father himself, has somebody who is his coach, who always still looks at him as as a player, and Arjun has moved on in life, and so that relationship dynamic is very interesting, I feel, and it'll be cool to see what you guys feel about it. Alim has joined the chat. Alim, I love you, brother. Couldn't have done this without you. Ishan, now you done it. We need your version of Mehram now. I sang it just now, Ishan. I think it's high time now you sing the song because you've heard it more than me. When are you coming to Jaipur? I would love to come to Jaipur. It's one of my favorite cities in the world, actually. So, yeah, I would love to come to Jaipur soon. Alim says, love you too. I love you, Alim. Who else is on the chat? Let's see some questions, guys. I can't see any questions. Proud being Shenetic. Did you notice our DP? Yes, your DP is lovely. It's very nice. Thank you very much. It has me on it. So I'm praising myself. Okay, Sanjeevni says, are you prankster or serious person on offset? I am normal person. Sometimes pranks, sometimes no pranks, sometimes serious, sometimes funny. Depends on mood. How was it training with season? I don't know how many of you all know, but I busted my lip on this film, okay? My strongest memory of Jersey will always be that I felt that I will never look the same again because we were practicing on the side because, you know, I was taking myself very seriously as a cricketer. I was like, you know, I'm going to do this legit because I used to play cricket in school and, you know, one has a lot of pride about that and you feel like if you're a cricketer, you want the world to see, like, you know, like you've played it and you've been like legit about it. And so between shots, I would keep like practicing this one time we were just doing some throwdowns with the season ball and I wasn't wearing my helmet, which was the stupidest thing in my life. And for all those people out there, when you're playing with a season ball, please always wear your helmet. It was that one time because it was just throwdowns and one of the balls just took off and I was playing a shot on the front foot. So, you know, my left foot was forward. I was bending forward, looking towards the ball with my chin down, you know, like how it's supposed to be, head over the ball and stuff like that. I was trying to be all legit and it just popped up from there and it busted my lower lip. And we actually had to stop shooting for 2 months because of that, because I had to get some 25 stitches and so it actually took 3 months for my lip to feel normal. It still doesn't feel normal. Like there's a part here on my lip which I feel like is just like it's dead. Like I can't move it. So I've given my blood to this film, you know, and I can say that very proudly. I've given my blood to this film. So Jersey, yeah, special, very special. All right, let's see. Do we have any other questions? How was it filming with your father? हो गया, prankster हो गया, serious person हो गया, season ball भी हो गया. There are no more questions popping up here. शायद दिल्ली आओगे, Farah Love शायद, of course आऊँगा यार. I mean Delhi is where I was born. I have so much family there. ज़रूर आऊँगा. I think इस फिल्म की शूटिंग के लिए भी शायद मैं दिल्ली आऊँगा. How was it shooting with Mrunal? Mrunal Thakur, the busiest actress in B-Town right now. Mrunal is a bundle of talent. She is a very, very promising actor, and I see a very bright future for her. I just hope she, chooses the right films, because she should do what she is deserving of. I've been working for 18 years, and there are a lot of films you look back and say, I don't know why I did that film. I hope she makes the right choices. I had a great time working with her. She's a lovely girl, really got along well, and she's shooting with my brother now. She's shooting with Ishan for a film that he's in Bengal for right now. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to seeing them together as well. It's great to know that she and Ishan are going to do a film together, and she's done a fantastic job with this film. I really want you guys to see the film. I think in the trailer there's a little bit that you saw of hers, when she sees Arjun taking out money from the cupboard, and that little bit, so you'll see that there's some wonderful work that she's done in the film, and she's the perfect Vidya for Arjun. Yes. Okay, guys, I've run out of questions now. This was amazing, and I'm gonna come soon and do more of these. But I have to say, I am so grateful and thankful from the bottom of my heart for the kind of love that you guys have shown the Trail of Jersey. It's a film that's very, very close to my heart. It's a story that must be shared, and I think it's a story that leaves you with something very beautiful to take away. So I hope to see you all in the theatres on the 31st of December. Yeah, I don't think there's much more that I need to say. I love you guys. Alright. My producer is saying, end by singing Mehram again. As if I hadn't spoilt it enough. But I'll do it for you, Mr. Producer, Mr. Aman Gill. I'll do it because I love you. Mehram, tu hi hai mera, le sun le meri daastaan. मंजिलें जुदा जुदा सी है, आ रह ले तू भी यहाँ. I think I sang it wrong. महरम तू ही है मेरा, ले सुन ले मेरी दास्तां. रंजिश